Hello, so this is a final result of this tutorial. So if you want to paint a very simple Black Templars iconography freehand, please watch the video and enjoy. So as you can see, here are other examples. It's very simple, takes not so much time, and you will learn something. See you! Right, let's dive into painting. So for that I will use black from Vallejo Model Color and ivory from Vallejo Model Color. Ivory will be used to fix all of the mistakes, and it will be useful brush with a sharp tip. So let's start, and firstly I want to create a crossed lines, two lines somewhere in the middle. And those lines should cross each other at the 90 degrees angle. Well, I'm pretty sure that this line is too long. Okay. They are not crossing each other in the 90 degrees, but it's alright. I'm not painting that in a with the biggest presses, because it's tabletop. Yeah, painting freehands for tabletop, that's a thing. In 2020 you've got way too much time, because we know what's going on in the world right now. What's going on? Okay. So now I paint two lines on the top of this line. And then I connect them with the midpoint. As you can see, it's not that complicated. I just want to create a bigger cross, because it must match to the rest of the outriders. So if you want to widen that, widen the cross, you can just go further. Okay. So as you can see, this part needs some fixing. I just need to fill this thing, especially painted that in this way because I want to show you how to fix problems with that. So now I will take ivory. Okay, now I will take ivory and just fix. Remember not to change the angle of the brush, just change angle of the miniature. You must feel comfortable, especially when painting freehands. Okay, so our cross is finished. And thank you for watching.